Here we come to the elevator at Bethesda East in Bethesda, Maryland. Look at this original Haughton. This is awesome. I wonder the end use light is already on. Hopefully this thing works. Is this thing working? Oh, I hear it. Hopefully it's not broken. I thought I heard something. Okay. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Hopefully it's working. Oh. There it is. It's a Haughton with black button. This is like the one at the Travel Lodge, which unfortunately I have heard it's demolished. All right, let's go to 6. Here we go. It's just literally overshot the floor. So on to 1. That door is slow. This is awesome. Let's get a good look at these fixtures. Wow, this is beautiful. There's your phone, which that was added on. For some reason, the indicator still did not increment to number 1. It still says 2 for some reason. I don't understand why. Anyways, this elevator stays on up peak. Does it close when you press the button on the floor that you're on? Nope, it does not. Anyways, look at these fixtures. This is absolutely beautiful. I don't ever get to see a Haughton elevator anyhow these days. You see the cab has been put up with wall paddings. That is mainly to protect the walls from getting scratched up, as technically this is a freight elevator. I'm sure you saw in the beginning of the video. Wow. I'm speechless right now. I think this is probably my 3rd Haughton elevator I've seen. Because I saw my 2nd Haughton with the white button fixtures at Macy's at Willowbrook Mall in Wayne, New Jersey. I'm gonna take for one more ride. Oh. There we go. Let me fix this thing. There we go. Door got jammed for a second. Again, I love these fixtures. Unfortunately, you can't call it from other floor. You have to go chase to where the elevator is. I first thought it was broken, but thankfully not. Look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi. See, that's the modded elevator. I had to take that down to find this elevator. Look at this call button. Yeah, you see the door does not close unless you select the floor. Now I realized. All right, let's get one last good view of these fixtures, and we're gonna send this elevator back down to where I got it from. I love these fixtures. This was definitely worth checking out. I'm not gonna do the other elevator because it's modded, and I'm not gonna do a round trip on that one, but I'm sure others have filmed it as well. It levels properly down here. Well, kind of under leveled, but anyways, there it goes, and that's it.